All right, got some more pipe. Finish stuff up, and yeah, we got pipe and stuff. 1 inch, 90-degree angles. Just gonna screw them in, weld them out. Where you say the glasses? Yeah. So now I done got the top half this here. I got it welded up on the corners and stuff, and I just put it on top of what I made in the last video. Now I gotta weld this out and weld out how I'm gonna mount it and whatnot, and that's a wrap. Looks like a roof rack to me though. Yeah. Okay, so I called myself tacking that one, right? But you might as well say I welded it. That's my fault, and I feel dumb. And then I was like, dang, it's off. You see that? I was like, dang, it's off. But it wasn't that off. So I pulled this one back where it'll be. You see what I'm saying? How it's even. And now look at that. And look at that. Like, that's some more complicated type stuff. Like, so pretty much what I decided to do, I'm gonna keep going forward because I looked at it and you really can't tell by eye. And I tried to pull this back like how I did that. Like I pulled it and tacked it at the same time. So I'm gonna just fill up the gaps and keep going. I could cut the tack, but I messed around and I used up my last cutting wheel, so I'm gonna proceed as planned. And that's pretty much how you fill a gap, folks. Yeah, there it is. All the side rails welded out. Now I'm finna weld out each one of those. And that'll be, no, it's not a wrap, but it'll be close to it. It's welded solid. I tell you that. It ain't going nowhere no time soon. Hey, let me finish up. So I'm getting ready to weld this support bar together and whatnot. And that's really how I'm gonna mount it. But looks good to me, looks flat to me. I checked it to make sure it's equal. Looks good to me, so I'm gonna weld it. And, gonna clean up my roof rack, get it ready for paint, all that good stuff. Make it happen. Like this. Alright, so I got my grinder, extension cord, wire wheel, and I'm just gonna clean this here up. Boy, look at that. My grinder's smoking. So it turned out to be one of them days I stayed at Home Depot all day long. Alright, so before I go any further, I got change of plans. I was thinking before I started painting stuff, I had an idea to mount it better, and that's what I'm gonna do. So before y'all go any further, y'all gonna have to stay tuned for part 3. You feel me?